shipwrecked in Brimley, Michigan. Like I said, first day, who knows what we might see today. We noticed these cute little signs that says slow down, turtle crossing. I thought that was cute. This year, we're not riding along. We got another side by side with us. Slow down. Our brother and sister-in-law are with us. It's going to be a fun day. All the snowmobile trails up here are marked very well. It tells you which direction, what town you want to go, how far away it is. Very well marked. Lake Superior, baby! Here's the shipwreck beach. Graveyard. The Whitefish Point. A lot of boat wrecks happened. Thanks, guys, for watching. Check it out if you're up this way. Here we are at the graveyard of the Great Lakes. There's a memorial for the Edmund Fitzgerald wreck. Day one in the UP was a success. We went to Paradise, went to Whitefish Point, went in the Shipwreck Museum, Mark 8